Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys we are going to go and be talking about winning money on Cash App. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works is safe for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, first things first, we are going to go and be needing the application. So if you do not already have the Cash App application, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the App Store. In the App Store, you want to open up the search bar and go ahead and search for Cash App. So search for the application, and after finding it, go ahead and install it and we can get started. So by installing it, you can go ahead and open it up and then log in either using your mobile number or your mobile login info. Doesn't matter, you can choose whichever option you prefer. And now we can get started. So once you log in, you'll be greeted by this main page right here. This is going to be our home page where you can take a look at our cash balance, our savings, and all the other settings that we have. And now we can get started. So basically guys, if you want to win money with Cash App, there are no direct ways. Cash App does not give away money, but there are some other options that you can take a look at, such as the Cash App boosts. Basically guys, when you go ahead and use Cash App a lot, either by putting money, paying with it, and so on, you're going to be able to get your boost that you can go ahead and then spend on your offers. They have a lot of offers going on where you can get boosts for some similar payments where you can go ahead and be rewarded for using Cash App. But basically guys, alongside those boosts and rewards that you have, there are no other offers. They sometimes give you offers that you can go and take a look at, such as some referral codes and such that you can go ahead and use for getting some money into your Cash App account. Basically, Cash App does not give away any direct amounts of money, and there is no direct way to win money. So do not be scammed. If somebody is offering you can win money on your Cash App, it's probably a scam. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching. Take care and bye.